Hello, my little friends. Today, we're going to draw a cute and friendly dog. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we draw a little circle for the dog's head. Wow, what a nice circle. Now, let's draw the body. Another circle for the body. Shall we draw the eyes? Two big eyes? Looking right at us. Let's add a cute little nose. Now a big happy smile because our dog is super happy. It's time for the eyebrows and then the floppy ears. Let's draw the collar and the tail. Look at that cute tail. Now the arms and legs. One arm here, one leg there. And finally, let's add some fun spots on its body. One spot here, another one there. Ta-da-da-da! Let's color our dog. I'm going to make mine brown and cute. What about yours? Our friendly dog is all done. Do you know how to spell dog? D-O-G